Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home. I am your science teacher. Before going into the lessons, let us know about science. What is science? Science is knowledge. Science is the process of observing, asking questions, and finding things out about the world around you. Science is the process of knowing things around you. The process is called scientific method. The main branches of science are chemistry, biology, and physics. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of the structure, function, and properties of matter and the changes it undergoes. Juliet Sasimis will teach the chemistry lessons. The second main branch is biology. What is biology? Biology is the study of life, the scientific study of living organisms and their interactions with the environment. Manihandan sir and Kausalya miss will handle the biology lessons. The third important branch is physics. Very important subject. What is physics? In physics, the natural phenomena are observed through experiments and they are converted into laws and theories. So, physics is study of nature and natural phenomena. It is based on experimental observations. Scientific theories confirmed through experiments. For example, the Newton's 3 laws are proved through experiment. All theories used physical quantities for measurements. So, measurement and measuring the things is base for experiments and study. I am going to start first unit, measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is the process of comparing unknown quantity with a standard quantity. I repeat again, measurement is the process of comparing unknown quantity with a standard quantity. For example, length is equal to 4 meters. Suppose they give a length alone. Suppose அவங்க லென்த்துன்னு மட்டும் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா நமக்கு எவ்வளோ லென்த்துன்னு தெரியாது. அவங்க length is equal to 4 மீட்டர்னு நமக்கு சொன்னதுனால we can conclude length is equal to 4 meter. We come to know length is equal to 4 meter. Here length is unknown quantity, 4 meter is known quantity. So measurement is the process of comparing unknown quantity length with the standard quantity 4 meter. Okay, 4 is magnitude. It is nothing but it is numbers. It may take values 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, m is symbol of unit, meter. So distance is unknown quantity, 2 kilometer is known quantity. Mass and weight are unknown quantity, 4 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 1 kilogram are known quantity. Liter is unknown quantity, 5 liters, 2 liters, 3 liters are known quantity. I hope you are clear. So measurement is the process of comparing unknown quantity with the standard quantity. Okay? For measurement, for measuring the things, many system of units used all over the world. British men used FPS system, foot for length, pound for mass and second for time. So FPS system is called British system of units. The second system is CGS system. They use centimeter to measure length, gram to measure mass, second to measure time. And third one is MKS system. They use meter to measure length, kilogram to measure mass, second to measure time. The CGS and MKS systems are called metric systems because these systems are accepted all the scientists in the world. Simply they are called international systems. The units we use for these measurements are called SI units. Basically, there are two types of physical quantities. First, what is physical quantity? Whatever we measure, that is physical quantity. For example, distance. We measure distance. That is physical quantity. We measure mass, weight. That is physical quantity. We measure intensity of the light. That is physical quantity. So whatever we measure, that is physical quantity. There are two types of physical quantities, base or fundamental quantities and derived physical quantities. Base or fundamental physical quantities cannot derive from any other physical quantity, but derived quantities are derived from base or fundamental quantities. There are 7 base or fundamental physical quantities and 22 derived physical quantities. So, 7 physical quantities has 7 SI units. 22 derived physical quantities have 22 SI units. Okay.